Hey guys, did you know that you can back up all your WhatsApp chats on Google Drive? So if you're worrying about losing your WhatsApp chat क्योंकि आप अपना phone change कर रहे हो तो मत करो, because here's how you can back up your chats on Google Drive in just a few simple steps. सबसे पहले क्या करना है, make sure that you have an updated version of WhatsApp. If not, then update the version on Google Play Store. Then open WhatsApp, then go to the menu on the top right corner, select settings, then tap on chats, select chat backup, tap backup to Google Drive. Now select the Google account that you plan to use. इसमें आपके जितने भी accounts हैं उनमें से किसी एक account को use कर लीजिए. Now tap allow to let WhatsApp access your Google Drive. Then tap backup to back up your chats on Google Drive. आप इसमें ये भी select कर सकते हो कि how often you'd like your messages to be backed up, weekly, daily, after a few days. उसमें आपको ये सारे options दिख जाएंगे. So pick and choose the option. You can also toggle the include videos option to ensure that all your videos are secured. और अगर आपको videos नहीं चाहिए तो वो toggle off करके रखो. So that's all it takes to back up your WhatsApp chats on Android. And if you like this video, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Remember, Gadget Times is your one-stop shop for all things tech.